Due to disrepair or long-term storage of pipeline facilities, the surface and inner wall will be corroded, which greatly affects the safety and service life. The traditional rust removal process is inefficient, and it is often difficult to guarantee safety and environmental protection. Laser cleaning technology is a new. The cleaning process can quickly clean the corrosion inside and outside of various pipes only by turning on the power supply, which is safe and convenient.